In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix some IF formulas not updating in Google Sheets. This is a really common issue, and the fix is straightforward once you know what to look for. Let's jump right into it. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser. Once it loads, click the Starter spreadsheet to open it up. Take a quick look at the layout and confirm that the sheet shows the transaction list on the left side and the category to total summary on the right side. This is the layout we'll be working with throughout the tutorial. Now, let's find the range that's keeping the SUMIF from updating properly. Click cell F2, which is inside the current total column. With that cell selected, look up at the formula bar above the grid. You should see the formula equals SUMIF, open parentheses, B2 colon B5, comma, E2, comma, C2 colon C5, close parentheses. Notice that the formula only checks rows 2 through 5, but there's another groceries transaction sitting on row 6, which means it's being left out of the total entirely. That's the source of the problem. Let's fix it by replacing the fixed range with a full column SUMIF. Click cell F2 again to make sure it's still selected. Then click inside the formula bar above the grid so you can edit the contents directly. Select all of the text in the formula bar so the old formula is highlighted and ready to be replaced. Now carefully type the new full column version of the formula. Type equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, B colon B, comma, E2, comma, C colon C, close parenthesis. Once that's entered exactly as written, press Enter to confirm the change. The current total should now update to include every groceries row in the sheet, not just the first few. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Next, let's test that the formula actually updates when new rows are added below the existing data. Click cell A8 to begin adding a new transaction. Type a new transaction date into that cell, using whatever date format your sheet is already using. Then click cell B8, which is the category column for this row. Type the matching category here, making sure it lines up with the category you're tracking in the summary. Then click cell C8 to enter the amount. Type a new amount into that cell, and once you've got the number in place, press Enter to commit the row. Look back at the current total, and confirm that it updates again automatically after the new groceries row is added. Now let's check the spreadsheet calculation settings to make sure everything is set to recalculate properly. Click File in the top left menu bar to open the File menu. Scroll down toward the bottom of that menu and click Settings. A settings window will pop open in the middle of the screen. At the top of that settings window, click Calculation to switch into the Calculation tab. Look for the recalculation setting first. You can leave it on its current option or change it to On Change, so the sheet recalculates whenever values are updated. Below that, find the iterative calculation setting. Leave this one set to off, unless your spreadsheet intentionally uses circular formulas that need iteration to resolve. Once both options are set the way you want them, click Save Settings to apply the changes and close the window. And that's the full fix. The SUMIF total now uses full column references, so it picks up every existing matching row, and it will continue to update automatically whenever another matching row is added below. The calculation settings are also set correctly, so normal dependent formulas across your sheet will recalculate properly whenever the values they reference change. You've gone from a broken total that ignored new entries to a clean, live formula that always reflects the current state of your data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.